Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Buick Riviera. Great car, guys. This is a one family owned car, has a matching numbers Buick Wildcat 465 engine in it. It's had one repaint. It has all the original factory red vinyl interior in it. We got some documentation for this car that goes with it, the original Protect-O-Plate and car invoice for it. Great car though, very original car. Matter of fact, when I didn't have my guys detail on this car much, I wanted to leave it alone. All the chrome and stainless and stuff like that is original on this car. It's got 82,000 original miles on it. In 2016, matter of fact, the receipts are in the trunk for it. They did have the motor rebuilt, but this is a very original car. Original color combination. It's had one repaint. That is, the color is called Silver Cloud. I wish we had some sunshine on it so it would brighten it up out here. It's a little drab out here right now. But I love the color combo, that silver with that red vinyl interior. And again, it's got all the original interior in it. You can nitpick some stuff. Again, it's got the original chrome, original stainless on it. A couple of the original T3 headlights in it. Again, you can see the bumpers, show some wear, but they're original. This car, I tell you, runs and drives excellent. Just a great car, guys. I love this body style, always have. A lot of options, power windows, power seat. We also have a copy of the original the Georgia A title for this car. Just a good quality car, guys. That's what it is. If you're looking for something original, kind of a survivor type car, that's what this is, man. Just a good car. Matter of fact, when you open the doors here, you're going to see it's still got the original paint and the door jambs, and like the original primer's bleeding through a little. Very popular body style. I've had quite a few of these cars lately, and people really like them. I dig them. It's got the 15-inch Buick Rallys on it. That sun might poke out. This little glim of the sunshine hitting. Again, I didn't have my guys over detail this car, guys. Kind of left it alone. This is the original 465 Wildcat motor in it. That's 425 cubic inch. It is the matching numbers engine. Power steering, power brakes. It is a factory air car. He said the air does cycle through. He said he never charged it. So, but he said the compressor and everything does work. Love the color combination. Here's your original Georgia tag. That's from 75 to 76. Okay, and you can kind of nitpick the some of the chrome and stuff, but it's original, guys. It hasn't been replaced. And again, he said this is all the original interior. Power windows, they work good. Power seat, which does work. Again, you can see the original red primer bleeding through the silver there. Bucket seats, console, all this stuff's in great shape. Factory dash, 82,056 on the odometer. AM FM radio. Just a good car. Look at the original pedals for that car. Dual exhaust, still got the resonators in the back. Stock rear end. Factory jack with spares in the trunk here. Original matte. Look how nice this thing is underneath. Again, your primer bleeding through. That thing is just rock solid. Factory jack. Here's your original Protect-O-Plate. The receipts for the motor are in here. There's your original invoice for the car. Spare. Thought about putting a set of red lines on it, but just kind of left it alone because I know some guys don't like the bias plies, and I like the looks of those. Car's rock solid underneath. All original body pans. Pans and panels. Sorry, a little cold out here today. Okay, you can see the original rubbers. Just not a car that's been messed with a whole lot. Original sill plates. That's just a good car. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's nice. Those gauges are in great shape. Have Jay fired up here. It's just a good car. You see, Jay turned it on. It does kick on in cycles and everything. He said if you want it to blow cold, you're going to have it charged. Love the marker lights on these cars. This car's just got a good look coming at you. See a little cold light in the dash still works. This is just a cool car. Got one bulb up there, but you can see the reverse lights work. What's that?
Oh, courtesy lights.
Courtesy lights work. That's the only thing I couldn't get was the radio. The blower motor works.
Yep. Just nothing on the radio.
This is a great car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another way, a great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.